Experience serene living in this beautifully updated 3-bedroom, 3-bath townhome in the heart of Liberty Station. Offering a spacious, thoughtfully designed floor plan, this move-in ready home combines modern upgrades with an unbeatable walkable lifestyle. The interior features wood flooring and custom plantation shutters throughout. The gourmet kitchen showcases premium finishes, Thermador/JennAir appliances, custom cabinetry, stone countertops, and a designer tile backsplash. The primary bathroom has been tastefully renovated with a dual sink vanity, stone countertops, updated mirrors, and fixtures. The inviting living room is anchored by a custom rock fireplace with built-in recessed entertainment and opens to a private balcony overlooking the peaceful grassy area, an ideal space to relax or entertain. Additional highlights include a finished garage, abundant built-in storage, and quality upgrades throughout. Just moments from Liberty Station's renowned restaurants, cafes, boutiques, Trader Joe's, Liberty Public Market, the L.O.T., fitness and sports facilities, the Signet Theater, and scenic waterfront trails. Ideally located near golf courses, yacht clubs, downtown San Diego International Airport, and the area's